Professor Amar Yumnam takes charge as third Vice Chancellor in charge of Manipur University. Nation observes Police Commemoration Day in memory of sacrifices of 10 policemen while defending borders with China in 1959. Transporters and Drivers Council sends 170 vehicles to be used in the repair of Infrastructural National Highway. And Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress joins war of words, attacks both BJP and Congress. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news of the day. Professor Amar Yumnam has been appointed Vice Chancellor in charge of Manipur University after VC in charge Professor T.H. Jakendra tendered his resignation yesterday. Professor Amar Yumnam has taken the charge as Vice Chancellor today, and he is the third Vice Chancellor in charge to be appointed during this month. Today also around 300 OBC, SC, minority and unreserved category students surrendered their ID cards to the university authority. Yesterday, about 400 students surrendered their ID cards protesting the university's policy on seat reservation. The students also boycotted the Dean of Students' Welfare and locked his office. Meanwhile, the relay hunger strike by students, JSC demanding resumption of classes at the university gate, entered the sixth day today. 7 girl students underwent fast today. They said they will intensify the protests tomorrow. Professor Amar Yumnam said a meeting will be held tomorrow with the 6 deans of schools to decide on the admission process. He said the MU authority is trying to start the academic session. Amar Yumnam also appealed to the students to have patience.
Session hobata koi either side lady was a nakanani kana ramnina any decision low matam the pen the manakalam dinam the yaurane decision to some lamata decision to the low bagi to the aquiginab no apamba tam but no mogi right nab. I don't know what decision we take and whatever decision we take will act on that. Controversy later matura loinamak amukta to learn pelem by the Adam Nina Akuna quick long term the group amig interest not about loinamana share to way of interest Madu Tira quit habuk to Gutabam. I do the name one as a
The country today observes a Police Commemoration Day. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh with other dignitaries laid worth and paid homage to the police martyrs at Police Memorial Ground, Chanakyapuri in Delhi. The day commemorates the sacrifices of 10 policemen while defending the borders with China in 1959. On October 21, 1959, Chinese army personnel opened fire and threw grenades at the police party of 20 personnel. 10 of them died, 7 were taken prisoners by the Chinese and remaining managed to escape. The annual Conference of Inspectors General of Police of States and Union Territories held in January 1960 decided to observe October 21 as Commemoration Day in all police lines throughout India to mark the memory of these gallant personnel. Since 1961, more than 33,000 police personnel have sacrificed their lives for security of the nation and service to the society. The day was also observed at Bisnupur district headquarters. Floral tributes were offered to 473 slain personnel at the function. A team led by Sub-Inspector Paumai offered salute to the deceased police personnel. The function was attended by SP H. Jogeshwar, Additional SP K. Meghachandra, Additional SP Y. Victoria, among others. Former MLA of Hengang constituency, Nongthombam Biren, has been appointed spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Ketramayum Bhabananda said in a press release that the former Congress MLA recently resigned from the Congress to join the BJP. Transporters and Drivers Council TDC has sent at least 170 vehicles including trucks and 4 JCBs to be used in the repair of the National Highway 37 Imphal-Zirabam Road near the Makru Bridge. The vehicles carrying single and boulders were sent from Langjing under the supervision of TDC. TDC President H. Ranjit said TDC decided to launch various forms of protest after the Manipur government declined to provide escorts to the vehicles. He said, however, Works Minister Khetrimayum Biren last night told the TDC that escorts will be provided to the vehicles to ensure repair of Imphal-Ziribam Road, and the TDC decided to send the vehicles today under the initiative of the Works Minister H. Ranjit said the BRO's deadline of December 15 for construction of the stretch of the national highway is unreasonable. He maintained that the road can be repaired in 6 days. He assured that the road will be made motorable in 4 days.
Honorable Minister Works na haiba sida yamna asoba initiative ama lobirakanda escort ki amadi satkadoriba mayam singi asoba mateng ama pirakana ngasi haiba sakadoriba khongchatsi sasagadobani aikoi yamdrabada numi humni marini da haiba road che aikoi motorable oina aidi phajana gari macha masu chatpa yanaba lamena ma aikoi numi humni gi manungda natraga marini bhawi manungda aikoi loisallaga haiba si lambi si gidamakta aikoi ngasi sasadoriba aikoi gi mayam gi sajok amadi Manipur government gi support tagi aikoi haiba lamben si aikoi semuge ngasi di sasarge na aikoi chaluge na aikoi adumaina lepsebani.
As the assembly polls draws closer, Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress too has joined the war of words, hurling attacks at both the national parties, BJP and Congress, even as BJP and Congress continue to accuse each other. President of Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress and former MP Kim Gangte accused the Congress party of being worried only about how many of their MLAs have joined BJP rather than worrying about the issues facing the people. She also made a scathing attack on BJP for stating that an inch of Manipur's territory will not be compromised, while the centre has ignored the border fence built by Myanmar on Indian territory in the border town of Moreh. Speaking to media persons at the party's office at Haukip Veng Palace compound, Kim Gangte stated that all the political parties in Manipur do not want an inch of Manipur's territory to be compromised. However, the state government and the BJP-led NDA government in the centre have not revealed the details of the framework agreement signed between the centre and the NSA and IM. She claimed that since the framework agreement has not been made public, the party considers that there are details in the agreement which the government does not want the people to know. She questioned how law and order has improved in Manipur, even when the Chief Minister himself cannot decide whether to go to Ukhrul or not. Kim Gangte said at the end of the 15 years rule of the Congress government, the roads in Imphal areas are in deplorable condition, leave alone the roads in the hills.
Framework agreement asi karigidamak people da tahan da bano state government na sum masigi matang da kaya muktak na rage kari ikhangdo ke hay da bano aduga som the government of India led by BJP karigidamak ngasi phawba lot tu na thambano karigidamak outside state ta leiba CM Singh changsillaga ngangning ba pangang da ngang bano why there is no governance and also politically ekhoi si state government gi standpoint ekhoi khangning central government na leader sing lak pu khuding na inchi ama sukai roi kai ba ya de hai du leiba si ekhoi wa khan si pot tha ba ya rabra.
CPI Manipur State Council has strongly condemned the statement made by Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Ziliang threatening the territorial integrity of Manipur at the conference of Naga Village Authority at Tagaramphung local ground in Senapati district on the 19th of this month. Speaking at a press meet at Irawat Bhavan in Roop Mahal Tank, Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council Dr. M. Nara said CPI, CPIM, JDU, JDS, Forward Bloc, AAP and CPI-ML held an emergency meeting early this morning and discussed T.R. Ziliang's statement in depth and decided to launch a people's campaign against it. Dr. Nara stated that a chief minister of another state making statement of his choice will definitely call for reactions from the people of the state. He said it is unfortunate that the Nagaland chief minister pretended to know the history of Manipur. Dr. Nara also said BJP Manipur Pradesh should apprise the central BJP leaders of what T.R. Ziliang said.
Prime Minister, Home Minister, Nagaland ki Chief Minister na sigumba khoi mayam ki interest sokpa lebang macha ta da statement piri basi central government check to biyo haibam di hayan ninge yakti pinareba express their feeling punamoksi in the interest of the state of Manipur. I insist on the BJP Manipur to talk to the central leaders of their party. Prime Minister Narendra Modi amasung Home Minister Rajnath sincerely, with all seriousness, what is this Nagaland Chief Minister doing and crossing upon the other territory of a different state?
Speaking exclusively to Impact News, National President of National People's Party (NPP), Conrad Sangma stated that only a regional party that understands the regional issues of Manipur can solve its problems. He also stated that Manipur is facing so many issues like the territorial integrity, inner line permit system and reservation. Conrad Sangma said only a regional party like NPP, which has its roots in Manipur, can solve the problems facing Manipur with a new outlook and not a national party. National People's Party Manipur unit today appointed president of the party's women's wing and 6 other executive members in a political conference held at its party state unit office at Tidim Road.
Our people who are there are very much grounded to the north, to the issues of Manipur. So therefore, we feel we will be in a better position to resolve these issues in the future. We are a party that's focused on Northeast, and I think we're in a better position to resolve these issues. Other parties have been given a chance already, and I don't think they've been able to find the solution. I'm not talking about capable or not capable. I mean, that what people will decide. We are coming up with an option. We feel that we have got young leaders. You saw the kind of people who are joining with us. Yes, NPP is a very, very viable solution for Manipur, and I really urge the people of Manipur to give us an opportunity so that we can serve the people of Manipur.
Andhra MLA T.S. Shyam Kumar today strongly reacted to the remarks of Thangmeban MLA K.S. Joykisan and inspected the condition of roads in Thangmeban. MLA Shyam Kumar inspected Kangzabi Lerak a day after MLA Joykisan had accused the Andhra MLA of not developing the roads in his constituency. Joykisan remarked that the roads in Andhra belong to the British era. After inspecting the roads in Thangmeban today, MLA T.S. Shyam Kumar said Thangmeban constituency can be covered in 5 minutes if compared with Andhra constituency. He said the roads in Thangmeban are in deplorable condition and termed the remarks of MLA Joykisan as unfortunate.
I know the lepsari besi Thaiman esigi manungni si Impal manungi Kangzabi Lerak si Chile lambi Andhra Kendra sangdam naragadi Andhra Kendra sum lambi amma holite andra ko cinema ngo manang ko dawali Thaiman esigi on MLA na magi lek hana nambi ro magi lek hana phajana sembi yo on MLA na semang kamdraga na ai semjage lekai gi praja sing ta tanaraga adu Andhra Kendra da lakpiraga awapa sabiraga no Andhra Kendra December manungda black topping loin tawni lambi khudimakta all road and IVR adu honorable MLA Thangmei bangi so magi Thangmei bangi Impal manung si Manipur gi maithong ni sigumba ACM da pikra Kamu sangbasida koila thadana ipol honbasi yam laibak tin sigdam khaloga Manipur gi capital Imphal da leiba ACM sa ikaiba poi hadana on MLA da media to the message pizari.
MLA Shyam Kumar has questioned how the rice quota for Andhra and other constituencies in Imphal is lapsed, while other constituencies in the state were provided rice under the National Food Security Act for the month of July. Speaking to media persons at his quarters at Kanglapat, Shyam Kumar asked the minister and officials concerned to clarify the matter. He said people's representatives should work for the people, cutting across party line. He also lamented that the government has not been able to provide funds to the scheduled caste department.
Sakar paibiriba oneba misi khudimana Manipur prajagi yaiphanaba khanbaise manamsa matamni adu natragadi ujileiba mawngsida satharagadhi akhoi yam laibak thibo egani akhoi election thengnabasu प्रजा अफब फल अखोई पिरकने थाजदे गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट मथौ नियम चुमना मथौ तौनी सरकार डिपार्टमेंट हप्ता मधु रेस्पॉन्स पिरक्तरगदी मधु आंध्र केंद्र की प्रजा लोनना कस्तूरबा गांधी बालिका विद्यालय संगारगनी लोनना आंध्र केंद्र की तोान तोानब मिनिस्ट्री सारीब अखोई गर्ल हॉस्टेल्स एडिशनल क्लासरूम्स बॉयज हॉस्टेल्स हजी साब लोरब कमिटी ओरबसिंगिसु Honorable concerned ministers in Malayland concerned ministries da koi masimasu koi sangha binaba agi side ki appeal tawri.
In a violent incident related to college elections scheduled for the 25th of this month, volunteers of the Assam not only assaulted a few people but vandalized the principal's office. The incident occurred at around 1 p.m. today at Nauram Birahari College, Khundrakpam. Police have arrested 2 students of Biramangol College, Sohombung, Sorangbam, Sanakhomba, 18 years, and Lainet Lakpam Indra, 20 years, of Sagol Mang Makong. Speaking to Impact News, magazine secretary of the college, Hijam Sakuntala, said there was an argument between 2 students of this college, and during the argument, President of the Assam Imphal East, Norendro led a team of about 100 students and broke the gate of the college and beat up the students. They also damaged furniture in the principal's office. She alleged that they even disturbed the classes and hurled abuses at the teachers and threatened them. The students dispersed once the people of the locality came to their rescue. Around 5 students were injured in the assault. Shakuntala condemned the act by a student body and appealed not to repeat such action in future. She also demanded punishment of disarmed volunteers.
Desam gi headquarter gi thokpuba yaifaba amadi Desam Imphal East ki President Norendro mokoi masa animak yaungna Norendri College tangasi mioi chama mukla aga khoigi pangthokda be election asi ga mari laina khana chaina ba thokpaji maramda khoigi class thokjadana laiba 11 12 satra amadi principal gi kada laiba pochai thuairamba amadi atopa satra mayam amda ki akhang thohanba sigi maram akhoni yang condemn tawjari sugumba satra gi yaifana laiba loop amana sugumba thong thabak thong sida chatharakpase masi am laibak thibina hajaninge.
A team of Imphal West District Commando arrested an NSCN-K cadre during a search at Kanglapat area on the 18th of this month. The cadre is identified as Oinam Sarachandra alias John alias Thoiba, 44 years, son of O. Ruprachandra of Chingamakha, Kakwamaning, Maibam Lekai. Investigation revealed that he is an elected member of Maibam Gram Panchayat, Ward number 7. He is involved in recruitment of cadres for NSCN-K. A case has been registered at the city police station. The 9th Indo-Myanmar Regional Border Committee meet between India and Myanmar was held from October 18 to 21 at Imphal under the Spear Corps of Indian Army. A 19-member delegation from Myanmar consisting of army and civil officials attended the meeting. The Indo-Myanmar Regional Border Committee meeting is a biannual event where representatives of both nations discuss and resolve crucial issues relating to border management, bilateral cooperation and terrorism. The Indian side was led by Major General S.S. Mishra, GOC Red Shield Division, while the Myanmar delegation was led by Brigadier General Thet Pon, Commander, Northwest Command. "56-year-old R.D. Wohring Anal was allegedly stabbed to death by his brother R.D. Tumthung, 48 years, yesterday. They are residents of Biruwang Khera village under Sugnu police station in Chandel district. Sources said the weapon used in the killing was recovered by Sugnu police. However, the accused is absconding. The victim, R.D. Wohring Anal, died on his way to hospital in Imphal. The body has been handed over to the family after autopsy was done at Janims. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Sri Manipur Jewelers. Yumda sum leiraga khanbane di kanaroi engonda loina thengna khrabani wakhal do wagano lao aikoi kudingma phasaminarase miyam gi apamba design kudingma soidana phanglagani Sri Manipur Jewelers.
Nungairba Paujel, Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda, Myanmar da flight tongluna koiruna bagi, achauba kudong chaba ama KB Enterprises na pizari. November gi tangkun da chat kraga tangkun tarukta halakadabani. Sopna tagi airfare listing taramanga ka chamanga da Myanmar da chat piu. Package ki kudong chaba su fangbigani. Akupa marol gi damak KB Enterprises MG Avenue Imphal da contact obiu. Aikoi gi mobile number di 98620 28656.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Justice for MCSCC Exam 2016 has refuted the allegations by some candidates who appeared in Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Mains Exam 2016 conducted by Manipur Public Service Commission and could not clear the examination. Members of Justice for MCSCC Exam 2016 today told the media persons at Manipur Press Club that the candidates have falsely accused the MPSC that no extra paper was issued to the candidates. The said candidates who appeared in the mains examination know that extra sheets were provided to them. Team led by Deputy Superintendent of Excise Thobal L. Raghu Singh and OC of Yaripok Excise Station, Sanasam Neelakumar, today seized 175 litres of liquor during a search operation. The seized liquor has been destroyed. The search operation was conducted in view of the upcoming Manipur Legislative Assembly election under the instructions of Election Commission of India. Saying such operations will be carried out further, L. Raghu appealed to the people for their cooperation.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯒꯨꯅꯨ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯣꯔ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯔꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯅꯤ.
They celebrated the 11th Pensioners Day at Pensioners Sanglane at Pisumthong. The attendees showed their respect to deceased pensioners by offering tribute to their portraits. Persons who worked in central and state government departments attended the event. Pensioners expressed unhappiness at a delay in the distribution of their monthly pensions. They urged the government for timely distribution of pensions.
We have written many a times. We spoke to the finance department also, even to the chief minister. Our argument is like this: for the central government pensioners, they pay their pension before the end of the month. Whereas in the time of for Manipur, only they authorize payment of the pension to the Manipur pensioners after the end of the month. So in that point there is a big tussle.
A Natya Katha titled Krishna was presented by Padma Bhushan and Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Dr. Sonal Mansingh at Maharaja Chandrakriti Auditorium. The event was jointly organized by Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi and Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Miss Tourism India Sneha Jigyasi was felicitated by Cumex City Centre at Kakwa, Sorok Haibam Lekai today. Cumex City Centre presented gifts to the contestant of Miss Northeast India. Sneha Jigyasi will be a judge at the contest being held tomorrow at Hotel Imphal. Ningol Khudol, a 10-day Ningol Chakoba festival kicked off today at GM Hall. The exhibition is organized by Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisans Cooperative Society Limited under the sponsorship of the Development Commission, Handicraft, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. Around 80 stalls displaying various handloom and handicraft products are opened at the exhibition. Theatre Centre Manipur today observed Manipur Theatre Day at Manipur Dramatic Union MDU Hall at Yai School. Awards were also presented to well-known artists of the state. The awards included Bira Mangol Mekola Lifetime Achievement Award 2016 given in the name of popular Sumang Lila lyricist B.K. Mekola. Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal today organized a seminar on Siroi Lili Rotary Image Building at Sangai Conference Hall, Hotel Imphal. A souvenir called Siroi Lili was also released at the event. Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal President Salam Sachidanand and Rotary Club District Governor Dr. Rintu Guha Niyogi were among those who were present. Rhythms of Manipur presented traditional dances of Manipur at the event. Hill Tribal Council Moray held one-day mega health camp under the sponsorship of Autonomous District Council Chandel at Hope Center, De-Addiction Camp Moray. ADC blood grouping, malaria tests, TB, HIV, typhoid, diabetes tests were conducted at the camp. 54 persons were treated at the camp.
Makoisi health problem amasung test over yadaba tangai phadaba mayam leirabanina koi autonomous district council Chandil nasu mating si free health camp si mafum sida pangkhat lese haina sponsor tawraga iba camp amani makoi sida hepatitis oisnu nadraga health ga related oisnu drug related mayam sisu test tawthoga kamaina makoi ki punsi si anuba punsi da pusin sara haibagi pandom da tora iba camp amani.
Now some sports news. A. Sumanta won the BSF Martyrs Day Mini Marathon. The Mini Marathon, which was participated by 386 runners, was flagged off by DIG Sector Headquarters, BSF Manipur and Nagaland, Angom Samu at Kumanlampak Sports Complex. Winner A. Sumanta received rupees 10,000. Runners-up Aish Kishorjit received rupees 5,000 and second runners-up T. Pritam received rupees 3,000. 11-year-old W. Thoi Thoi from Khabam Haibong Makhong was awarded the youngest player. He was presented with a citation and rupees 1,000 cash prize. Commissioner Youth Affairs and Sports H. Dilip, officials of Sector Headquarters BSF Manipur and family members of BSF Martyrs presented prizes to the winners. Neroka FC Sangakpham and SSU Singzamay beat their rivals in league matches of the 11th Manipur State League at Imphal Polo Ground. In the 48th league match, Neroka FC Sangakpham beat Nisa Thangmaiban 2-0, while in the 49th league, SSU Singzamay beat Nako Nambol Mapal 1-0. Trukpo Nambol and FC Zalen Sadai Hills will meet in a league match tomorrow. Imphal East defeated Chandra District 3-1 in a match of under-17 girls state level inter-school football tournament played this morning at Kumanlampak Artificial Turf Ground. Kiranbala, Russia and Sana Thokpi scored 1 goal each for Imphal East. The second league match played between Churachandpur District and Bishnupur District ended in a goalless draw as both the teams failed to score in the given time. 10 teams from 8 districts and 2 subdivisions are taking part in the tournament organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports at Kumanlampak Artificial Turf Ground. The tournament will conclude tomorrow. MYC Maharabi beat Siko Lorembam Laikai 2-1 in the 29th league match of the 3rd Imphal West District Division Football League tournament at YWC Ground, Malom. YUC Iro Majirao beat Juvenile Club Tera Sapam Nairak 2-0 in the 30th league match. The first Northeast Sub-Junior Speed Climbing Competition kicked off today at Kangla Rock Wall of Manipur Mountaineering Training Association at Minuthong. In Sub-Junior Boys, Arunachal Pradesh, Demu Pelu bagged the first place, Manipur's Mangal Yumnam second, while Mizoram's Isaac Venlal Peka bagged the third place. In Sub-Junior Girls, Arunachal's Pisa Yagu won the first place, Mizoram's Lalwau Mani scored second and Thalmai Lan Dhintari the third place. 47 boys and girls from Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Sikkim, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram are participating in the tournament organized by MMTA and MASCA. Men's single matches of the 38th State and Inter-District Table Tennis Championship began today at Indoor Stadium at DM College campus. L. Bikram and TH Deepak of MPSC, TH Dhamendra Y. Dinesh and TH Akshay Kumar of Accountant General Imphal, K. Rohit and Kainau K. of Imphal West, and KSH Usha Kiran and W. Lanthoiba Thobal beat their rivals. 80 men and 26 women players from Imphal East, Imphal West, Manipur Police Sports Club, Thobal District and Accountant General Imphal are competing in the tournament organized by Manipur Table Tennis Association under the aegis of Table Tennis Federation of India. Konthaujam Kendra Kangkhut have reached the semi-finals of the 4th Ibudhau Wangpurel Khana Chauba Open Kendriwise League cum Knockout Tournament. Konthaujam Kendra Kangkhut beat Singzamai Kendra Kangkhut 11-8 in the quarterfinals played at Uchikon Laikon Kangsang. The first semi-final will be played on the 24th of this month. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Professor Amayumnam takes charge as the third Vice Chancellor in charge of Manipur University. Nation observes Police Commemoration Day in memory of sacrifices of 10 policemen while defending borders with China in 1959. Transporters and Drivers Council sends 170 vehicles to be used in the repair of Imphal-Zirbam National Highway. And Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress joins war of words, attacks both BJP and Congress.